Hello class. Now in this lecture we will see a first kind of convenience system which is used in case of the automobile, that is power window. So basically in case of the previous conventional system, instead of power window we are having a manually operated window. So in case of the manual operated window, the one handlebar was there, and by rotating that handlebar, the window up and down movement was there. Okay, so in case of the handlebar, there was we are using a scissor type mechanism. But nowadays, to reduce the noise or the reduce the friction, or in order to or make that up and down movement of the window smoother, another kind of mechanism come into the picture right, nowadays, that is rope and slider mechanism. So on the basis of the mechanism point of view, a power window is classified into two types: scissor mechanism and the rope slider mechanism. In case of the scissor mechanism, we are having very less maintenance, because there is a only thing which reduce the efficiency of the scissor mechanism is the rust or the corrosion. So once the corrosion is there occur in the linkage is present in the scissor mechanism, the friction is increases, and due to that the moment or the force effort we require to make a movement of up and down of the window is also increased. But in case of the rope slider mechanism, many times we have to replace a part even. Normally there are the track we are using, okay, or track and the ropes we are using in case of the rope slider mechanism. So many times due to the rust or the after some span of the periods, ropes get break, or the slider regular carriers get break in case of the rope slider mechanism. In such circumstances, what we have to do, we have to replace the parts in case of the rope slider. But if you compare this mechanism with this is a more silent and the giving a very smooth up and down movement. Okay, very less friction it offers, as we are using a number of pulleys in case of the rope slider, and here only the fulcrum, or the we can say pivots are the or hinges we are use about the linkages to have a movement of your glass up and down. Okay, so now first of all we will see the rope slider mechanism. Now here we have a rope slider mechanism. In case of the rope slider mechanism, here you can see a track is there. We will see first of all parts of it. This is a track, or we can say vertical beam. Okay, on that vertical beam, this regulator carriage will guide it upward and downward. Okay, and the upward and downward movement of regulator carriage is take place due to the rope which is tied into regulator carriage. Okay, so this is a one rope, metal rope. This metal rope is passing through three pulleys. First pulley is presented at the upper side of the track. Second pulley is present on the shaft of the motor. This is a motor. Okay, and this wire having 2 to 3 turns on that pulley. Okay, it is not just passing through this pulley, it having a 2 to 3 tight turns on that pulley, and after that it guided to third pulley, that is lower pulley, which is present on the track. And after passing through third pulley, the another end of the that rope is tied to the regulator carriage. Okay, on the regulator carriage the window glass is mounted, and the window glass having a support at center with the help of regulator carriage, and at the two end it having a support of a window channel. Okay, so at the two end it is supported by window channel, at the center it's supported by a regulator carriage. If we use a two track, okay, if we have a two track, then this window channel is no need to use. Okay, because the on the two track their independent regulator carriage is present. So here and here window glass is supported by regulator carriage. Okay, so here in this type of design, okay, two track design, we have two ropes. So one rope is considered one rope is from here to here, and second rope is here to here. Okay, so the first rope end is connected or tied to the regulator carriage through one pulley. It is going to the second pulley which is present on the motor shaft. Here it make a 2 to 3 turns, tight turns. After that another end of the rope is going through a third pulley, and tied to the second regulator carriage, and the another rope first end is tied to the this end of the regulator carriage, passing through pulley and directly going to the another pulley and connected to the this end of the second regulator carriage. Okay, so now with the movement of the clockwise and anti-clockwise, mean to say that with the rotation of clockwise and anti-clockwise, this rope get moment over here. Okay, this rope get moment over here. So with the help of the moment of rope unwound and the wounding moment of the this rope, regulator carriage will move up and down on the track. Consequently, window glass also make a movement in upward and downward. So this is a track. This is a track which is on which our regulator carriage is sliding upward and downward. And with the help of this rope, it is pulled upward and leave downward on the track. It's just like a lift, what we have in case of the lift. Okay, so with the in same way it is take place. Now we will see the slider mechanism, scissor mechanism. Okay, in case of the scissor mechanism, we having a two links. One is the big link and another is the short link. Okay, so this is a big link and this is a short link. At the same time, we have two horizontal linkages. This is the first horizontal linkage and this is the second horizontal link. This horizontal link is also called as a regulator. जो भी हमारा glass होगा, that is mounted on this horizontal link. Okay, and this horizontal link is able to move upward and downward with respect to the glass movement. ये जो हमारा horizontal link है वो upward move होता है और downward move होता है. Okay, but ये जो second horizontal link है ये इसका movement नहीं होगा. This will be a fixed to the door panel. Okay, door panel पे ये fix रहेंगे. At the same time ये जो assembly है मोटर के साथ, okay, that also fixed to the door panel. So मोटर का और ये जो horizontal small horizontal link है उसका movement नहीं होगा. Now ये जो हमारा big link है उसी को एक another end में sector gear है और sector shape gear है. उसके जो teeth है that is engaged with the another gear and that gear is mounted on the shaft of motor. Okay, so ये जो हमारी मोटर है, ये मोटर, ये जो gear, ये जो wheel दिख रहा है that having a tooth internally behind the this wall. Okay, and that teeth is meshed with the sector of this big end, big link. Okay, so when motor rotates, this gear is supposed to be rotated and that gear is meshed with the sector of the big link. So sector also rotate. Okay, so and so sector having pivot or hinge at this point. Okay, at this point it is pivoted and this entire assembly is fixed, okay, to the door panel. So this big end or big link act as a fulcrum about this hinge. This big link is act as a fulcrum about this hinge. So when motor rotate in this direction, okay, so this sector will supposed to be rotated in this direction or sector supposed to be pushed in this direction. This direction is supposed to be pushed. Whenever this sector push in this direction, mean to say this end of big link is pushed in this direction about the hinge which is present over here. So another end of the big link will move in this direction. Okay, so when it move in this direction, that time this big link become a vertical, not exactly vertical, it tend to become a vertical. Okay, and due to that this horizontal link will move upward as this big link are supposed to be a slide in the horizontal link. Okay, so this small link as well as big link supposed to be a slide in the both horizontal links. So meant to say ये जो big link है इसमें ये जो horizontal link है इसके अंदर small link as well as big link का जो end है, extreme ends supposed to be slide. Okay, and small link का दूसरा end भी एक दूसरे हॉरिजॉन्टल लिंक के अंदर स्लाइड होता है. ओके, सो व्हेन दिस लिंक्स वांट टू बी अ वर्टिकल एज दिस एंड ऑफ द बिग लिंक इज पुश्ड इन दिस डायरेक्शन, सो ये एंड इस डायरेक्शन में जाएगा हमारा. सो ये जो स्ट्रेट हो रहा होगा दैट टाइम हॉरिजॉन्टल लिंक है जिसके ऊपर ग्लास माउंट है, दैट मूव इन अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन. एट द सेम टाइम स्मॉल लिंक है उसका ये जो एंड है विल मूव in this direction, mean to say slide in this direction. Okay, and ये end है will slide in this direction. Okay, but ये जो horizontal link है ये अपना जगह change नहीं करेंगे, it is bolted to door panels. Okay, and with respect to the vertical or the with respect to the movement of this big link and the small link, regulator move in upward direction. As we want to take down the regulator downward, we have to make the movement of this end of the big link in this direction. So when we take the moment of this end of the big link in this direction, that time this end will move in this direction. So consequently regulator will move in downward direction. So it is simple. Scissor type mechanism is there. So this this small link and the big link are forming a scissor shape or scissor type action they are performing. So because of that, this thing is called as a scissor mechanism. Okay, it's very simple to simple in working. Only friction between these two linkages at the pivot position, okay, will affect will add the load on the motor. Okay, and if rusting is take place, any linkages at this position, if rusting is take place, this position rusting is take place. Okay, so this sliding moment and the angular moment, during angular moment, load will increase and the motor takes too much load. So because of that, the speed of the window moving upward and downward will be affected. Okay, so only this thing we have to take care in case of the scissor mechanism, that is to ये जो part है वो rust नहीं होना चाहिए and the proper lubrication will be there. That thing we have to only maintain in case of the scissor mechanism. In case of the manual door window, in that case what is the thing, instead of motor we are using a door handle over here. So here we are having a door handles. Okay, ये जो gear है, जो mesh है इस big link के sector gear के साथ, और ये जो हमारा gear है या wheel है जो mesh इस teeth के साथ, उसके ऊपर से हमारा door handle होगा, that we have to rotate. Okay, so only the thing, instead of that door handle we are putting over here motor. So because of that this thing become power window or power assisted window. Okay, so this is the thing, the mechanism we use in case of the power window. Okay, or window of the vehicle. The next lecture we will see the feature and the wiring system of the power window.